Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the silver-proof edition of the 50 years of the 50p anniversary coin. This is the box that it arrived in, and on the side we've got a description of the coin. So 2019 UK 50p silver-proof coin, and on the other side we've got treasure for life. And then on the back we've got a little bit more information. Feel free to pause it there if you want to have a read of all of that. But I'm going to open up the box and take out everything that's inside. I'll put that to one side because what we've got now is the box that houses the coin and the COA, which we'll get onto in a bit. And then we've got this information slip. So as usual, I'm just going to show off each and every page fairly quickly. But again, feel free to pause this and read at your own pace if I'm moving too quickly, which I of course am. There we go, and there'll be one page that I'll actually have a look at properly because I want to explain what makes this coin so unique. I really do like this coin. A little bit about the designer there, which is Christopher Ironside. And then this page is what I was talking about. So it's got the key features of this coin. And the first one you'll see is down here. So next to the 50 on the coin is what looks like a blob, but enlarged, it's this spirograph design, which is pretty cool. The other one is this throwback, where the coin actually features new pence. And then the third thing is each corner of the 50 pence coin has a letter on it from A all the way around to G. Now when I show off the coin, I don't think it'll be able to pick up on these letters, but for sure you'll be able to see the spirograph. So that's pretty cool. So that's the information booklet. And if I just put those to one side and actually open up this. Look how shiny that is. Awesome. And then in the lid there, we've got the COA. And as usual, I've covered up my COA number. I'll open it up and show this part first. And then we'll check out the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is 925 Ag sterling silver. The weight is 8 grams. The diameter 27.30 millimeters. Obverse designer Jody Clark, reverse designer Christopher Ironside. The quality is silverproof, and the maximum coin mintage is 3,510, with a limited edition presentation of 3,500, which means that 3,500 of them are in this box presentation, which leaves 10 of them I don't know where, but that'll be quite interesting. And then back round to the back, which means we can now check out the coin. So we'll start off by checking out the obverse of the coin. There it is. Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen, and as usual, just loving a silver-proof finish that just gives it this like frosted effect. That looks amazing. Now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin and look at some of those key features. So of course, like I said, it says new pence on it. And then I'll try and bring it in close enough so that you can see that spirograph without it losing focus. There we go, you can just about see that. And you can see that there's definitely something on each corner. I probably can't quite make it out, but they are there, I can assure you. But there it is. Look at that again, that frosted sort of finish on this silverproof. Absolutely beautiful. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin yourselves. And I want to know, did you buy it? And if so, did you get the brilliant uncirculated, the silverproof, the pied fort, or maybe even the gold proof? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.